these are. That's crazy. Chatham Kinas today. Yeah. What's your favourite way to have Kinas?
On toast.
Same. Crazy good. Stop. What? Does that look okay?
Yum.
Couldn't even wait to get home to eat our Kina. No! If you know, you know. These do not smell the best.
Oh. I just want one more.
Me too.
A female one that you just ate.
How do you know?
So if the cream around it is brown, then it's a female, and if the cream around it is white, then it's a male.
Can anyone
from
confirm that?
Teresa TikTok.
She knows her shit, that lady.